In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some budget-friendly tablescape Thanksgiving ideas. And as you see, this beautiful plate here that I added to my tablescape is from Market, which we had one in our area that went out of business. The original price for this was $2.99, but I only paid 9 cents. It was 90% off. And this beautiful pumpkin spice and everything nice, I'm using this as a placemat. And I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. And they only had 4, so I purchased all 4 of them. In the white plate that you see under the Happy Thanksgiving plate, I purchased a set from Ikea. And I have this beautiful yellow or gold napkin with the beautiful DIY napkin ring that I did. And as my centerpiece, I use pumpkins, pine cones, and different greenery that I purchased from Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby. Everything is a variety of different stores that I purchased from, as you see in the middle. The candle there I purchased from Market. And the red table candle, that was the only candle that I had, so I included it into my tablescape, and those came from Dollar Tree also. I've had those for years. All right, and as you see right here, that's a beautiful napkin ring that I purchased from Totally Dazzle a couple of years ago. And I added my gold charger here. And there's a charger here on this side of the head table as well as the other side. And I think that napkin ring is gorgeous for this season. And as you see right here at the other head table, it's the same way as the other side with the gold charger. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decor and designs, you will see balloon designs, and you will also see beautiful tablescapes. I hope that you all have an amazing day and happy Thanksgiving.